In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align objects in Prezi. Clean, consistent alignment makes your content look polished and easier to read, and fortunately, Prezi gives you a quick, reliable way to line things up. We'll walk through selecting exactly what you want, opening the alignment tools, and choosing the best option for your layout. Start by selecting the objects you want to align. If you're working with items that aren't next to each other, hold the Shift key and click each object one by one. This could be text, images, or shapes. You'll see a visible outline around everything that's selected. If you accidentally enter text editing, press Escape and click the edge of the object instead. Take your time here. Alignment only affects what you've selected, so make sure every intended item is highlighted and anything extra is not. If the objects are close together, an even faster way is to drag a selection box around them. Click on an empty area of the canvas, hold down your mouse, and draw a rectangle that covers the items you want. When you let go, all objects inside that box are selected. Zooming in can help you be precise, and clicking on blank space will quickly clear the selection if you need to start over. With your objects selected, look to the toolbar and find the Align button. Click it to open your alignment choices: left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom. These options tell Prezi how to line up the selected items relative to each other. Left, right, top, and bottom align the edges. Center and middle align to the vertical and horizontal center lines. As soon as you click an option, you'll see everything snap into place. If something jumps farther than you expected, it usually means an extra object was included in the selection or one item sat far away on the canvas. Deselect, refine your selection, and try again. Remember, you can always undo any change with a quick keyboard shortcut if you want to compare before and after. That's it. Select your objects, either with Shift clicks or by dragging a box. Open the Align button in the toolbar and choose the alignment that fits your design. Repeat as needed for different groups of items to create a clean, consistent layout across your entire presentation. With just these tools, you'll keep your canvas tidy, your visuals balanced, and your message easier to follow.